The next package is going to be the system, the replacement system for the front of the truck. We're going to open this up carefully. All right, so these, more stickers, heck yeah. SumoSprings, yes. So these are the bump stock replacements for the front of the truck. These go right behind the front wheels, which is also super exciting because this is going to help the plow, the weight, distribute the weight of the plow tremendously. Right now, I have 1.5 left on the truck. Half of it already fell off. I'm just glad I got these guys to replace them with, which will be lifetime, which is awesome. These are, they feel solid. They feel, wow, they're much better than the ones that are on there now. So we have 4, 2, 4, and nice thing about these is all you do is literally pull out the old one and pop in the new one, and then in the truck you have a little bit of a crevice, so it'll grab on, and then this will work with weight, so it'll never come off unless you pry it off, which doesn't cost any time, doesn't take any hardware. Very, very simple install, and it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. All right.